Easter chocolate looks innocent, right? Colorful foil, childhood traditions, that once-a-year treat shared with family. But unwrap the wrong egg, and what you're really eating is lead, cadmium, and supply chains tied to child labor hidden inside festive packaging. For families giving chocolate to kids or seniors enjoying a holiday treat, this isn't just candy. It's heavy metals and hidden risks wrapped in celebration. Today, we're exposing 10 Easter chocolate brands you should never buy. Stay till the end. We'll reveal the ones that are actually safe. Number 10. Palmer Easter Eggs. Palmer, the Easter aisle brand, the one filling discount bins at Dollar Tree, Walmart, and CVS every March. Individually wrapped, colorful foil, bags of 50 for $4. The chocolate that appears in every classroom Easter party because nobody questions a price point that low. R.M. Palmer Company, West Reading, Pennsylvania. Founded 1948. The king of holiday discount confectionery. About $4 for a 50-count bag. Partially hydrogenated palm kernel oil. First fat listed. Partially hydrogenated means trans fat. The FDA banned partially hydrogenated oils as generally recognized as safe in 2018 following decades of cardiovascular disease evidence. The ban applies to domestic manufacturing. Palmer sources internationally products manufactured outside domestic FDA enforcement continue to enter retail channels. Artificial flavor in a chocolate product. The chocolate flavor is produced by cacao fermentation, a natural chemistry requiring no artificial supplementation unless cacao content is too low to produce adequate flavor. Artificial flavor in chocolate is evidence of insufficient cacao, PGPR polyglycerol polyranolite, an emulsifier derived from castor bean oil used as a cheaper replacement for cocoa butter, present in Palmer because it makes the product cheaper, not better. FD&C Red 40 and Yellow 5. Synthetic petroleum-derived dyes in the candy coating on select Palmer varieties, restricted across multiple European markets for hyperactivity links in children. In the classroom, Easter party candy. Unwrap a Palmer egg and snap it in half. Real chocolate with proper cocoa butter content has a brittle snap followed by a slight melt. Palmer snaps clean and stays hard. That rigidity is PGPR and palm kernel oil holding a structure. His cocoa butter was never present to create trans fat pathway from partially hydrogenated oil. Artificial flavor confirming insufficient cacao. PGPR replacing cocoa butter. Petroleum-derived dyes in children's candy. $4 for 50 units of what chocolate is supposed to be. At least Palmer's betrayal is in what it replaced chocolate with. The next brand replaced something far more important: the safety of the children who harvested it. Number 9. Hershey's Hollow Milk Chocolate Egg. Hershey's, the American chocolate, the Kisses, the bar. The company whose name became synonymous with what chocolate tastes like to an entire nation of children. Hershey Company. Hershey, Pennsylvania. Annual revenue over $11 billion. See about $349 per 7 hollow egg. Child labor. 2022 investigation. A Washington Post documented evidence of child labor in Hershey's West African cocoa supply chain. Children as young as 10 working on cocoa farms in Côte d'Ivoire. Hershey had committed to 100% certified sustainable cocoa by 2012. The deadline passed. The commitment was revised, then revised again. No independent verification of supply chain child labor elimination has been published. Vanilla artificial vanilla synthesized from petrochemical or wood pulp byproducts present because real vanilla costs significantly more. Vanilla is the synthetic single compound approximation of vanilla's natural profile. PGPR present. Same cocoa butter replacement emulsifier from number 10 in the 11 billion company's hollow Easter egg. Sugar and milk fat before cocoa in the ingredient list. More sugar and milk fat in a Hershey's egg than cocoa by weight. Hold the hollow Hershey's egg and flex it gently between your palms. Real chocolate walls with adequate cocoa butter resist pressure differently than PGPR-dependent thin shells. The shell flexes because there is not enough cocoa butter to make it rigid. Child labor documentation with no independently verified resolution. Artificial vanilla from petroleum chemistry. PGPR replacing cocoa butter. More sugar than cocoa by weight. A decade of broken sourcing commitments. At least Hershey's betrayal is a supply chain accountability failure. The next brand wrapped the same problem in European luxury packaging. Number 8. Ferrero Rocher Easter Egg. Ferrero Rocher. I, the gold wrapper. The praline. The Easter egg extending premium giftable positioning into the seasonal aisle. Ferrero Group, Alba, Italy. Annual revenue over $14 billion. S. Nutella, Kinder, Tic Tac, and Ferrero Rocher in one portfolio. About $12 per 5.3-ounce Easter egg. Palm oil, primary fat, and Ferrero's hazelnut praline and chocolate coating. The Ferrero Group is the world's largest consumer of palm oil, approximately 185,000 metric tons annually. Palm oil cultivation is the leading driver of tropical deforestation in Southeast Asia and West Africa. 2021 Rainforest Action Network published findings that Ferrero's palm oil supply chain contained links to suppliers with documented deforestation violations, despite Ferrero's published sustainability commitment. Ferrero disputed the findings. Independent monitoring organizations continued documenting discrepancies. Vanilla synthetic vanilla present same artificial flavoring compound as number 9 in the premium brick European confection. Soy lecithin emulsifier industrial hexane extraction pathway in conventional soy lecithin production. No extraction methodology disclosure on the Ferrero label. Unwrap the gold foil and hold the egg in your palm. Real chocolate with high cocoa butter begins melting at body temperature almost immediately. Ferrero's coating stays harder longer due to palm oil, replacing partial cocoa butter content. Deforestation linked palm oil supply chain with independent verification discrepancies. Synthetic vanilla in a premium product. Hexane pathway soy lecithin on European luxury positioning on sourcing practices that don't match the wrapper. At least Ferrero Rocher's betrayal is a sourcing story. The next brand is Ferrero's own child-marketed product with an additional documented concern. Number 7. Kinder Joy Easter Edition. Kinder Joy. Also Ferrero, the egg with the toy. Specifically engineered for children, the dual compartment design that made it a global phenomenon among children who cannot read ingredient lists. Ferrero Group, same parent, same palm oil supply chain, same deforestation documentation. The child-targeted product from the company whose sourcing was flagged by independent environmental organizations. About $1.99 per single egg. Palm oil present. Same Ferrero supply chain concern from number 8 in the product specifically marketed to children. Artificial flavor listed in a children's confection from a company whose Nutella brand has faced advertising regulation in multiple European countries for misleading health claims. Skim milk powder. High-heat processed industrial dairy with no sourcing disclosure or animal welfare certification. Open a Kinder Joy. Scoop the chocolate cream side. Notice the texture. Smooth, uniform, entirely consistent. No variance. That uniformity is industrial emulsification. No handmade confection produces that consistency. Palm oil from documented deforestation supply